Gibbs Landscape is Atlanta's premier design, build, and maintenance company. A project always starts with an on-site consultation from one of our award-winning landscape architects. During this initial consultation, it's all about listening to what the client is envisioning for their project. Once a project is approved, our in-house professional installers begin building the project. Our landscape architect will work with our installers from start to finish as they are on site throughout the entire project. This allows us the benefit of making sure the project is installed just how the landscape architect designed it and allowing us to make in-the-field changes when necessary. When we begin a project, we always source our material from the best growers. It is all about providing the best materials to our customers. When we begin a planting project, we will make sure everything is planted horticulturally correct. We bring in the best organic material to backfill our plants with and make sure everything is faced and staked perfectly for our clients.